welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Tuesday. I'm coming at you guys from Dollar General. Normally we do Dollar General on Thursdays because the 5 off 25 is on Saturday, but Dollar General did it again. If anyone from Dollar General Corporate ever watched this, which I doubt they will, but if they did, please continue doing this because I seriously love it. Saturdays can be so busy and a lot going on, and then you have to do the 5 off 25 normally on Saturday only, and it's just a lot. But to have it during the week like they're doing right now, they have a 5 off 25 going from Monday through Friday, so you can come in Dollar General any of those days and do the 5 off 25, and then you can come back on Saturday and they give you another 5 off 25. I love that. So Dollar General, awesome. We have some deals this week at Dollar General. This is one of the best weeks I've seen at Dollar General since starting to do these Dollar General videos again. So this is such a good week. We got deals on laundry products, we got personal care items, we got just outstanding stuff this week. I am so excited. So in the description box below, I will have a link to the printable breakdown. You guys can print it out, bring it with you in the store, put it on your phone. It's available. Please make sure to actually watch the video. That is what helps me out and lets me keep bringing you guys these videos week after week. But I do have that down below so you don't have to handwrite everything. Unless, of course, you want to, which is cool as well. Also, if you're not signed up for the rebate apps, I'll have all my referral codes down below for those. You're going to want to get in on those as well. But anyways, guys, let's just dive right into some Dollar General 5 off 25s you can do any day this week.
All right, so I want to talk about a couple of super easy deals that you don't want to do in your 5 off 25 because either A, they're not allowed, or 2, it'll mess up the 5 off 25. So this one's a really good one. It's on the Dollar General, the True Living brand laundry detergent, 65 to 75 ounces. They're $6.95. There's a really nice digital for $4 off. So $4 off of a 1. So after that coupon, it makes it $2.95. And these are like 45 load bottles. So that's pretty good. Unfortunately, this coupon on the Dollar General app says it can't be combined with another Dollar General coupon. So we can't use it with the 5 off 25, and following the rules. So be aware of that. But a really good deal on its own. All right, guys, an awesome freebie here on the Kotex liners, the U by Kotex 16 count. So these guys are $1 each at Dollar General. There is a really nice digital coupon. It's for $3 off of 2. That coupon's going to adjust down to $2, but just going to end up making both of them totally free. So really nice deal, good item, to grab, to donate, whatever, if you don't need them. But don't put this in your 5 off 25 because it's going to mess up the 5 off 25 because it's free. But what it's going to do is it's going to adjust the coupon down because the 5 off 25 prorates. So you don't want to do that. Do this on its own in a separate transaction, but a really good freebie. Oh my goodness, guys. We have a Moneymaker. Yes, a Moneymaker food scenario today at Dollar General. This is insane, like free groceries. So you're going to start out by buying 4 of the Fast Bite sliders. They're on sale right now for $4 each. You're going to buy 4 of them. That's $12. We have $6 back when you buy 2 on swag bucks. So you're gonna get the back times 2, so $12 back. So start out by buying 4 of those. Okay, so you want to grab 5 bags of the lemon head ropes. These guys are $1 each at Dollar General. We have a shop kick offer still available. It's for 260 kicks, limit 5, plus there's 10 scan kicks, so you're getting back a total of 1,310 kicks, which is a grand total of 524. So you're buying 5 of these and getting the rebate times 5.
All right, so grabbing all those items for our food scenario, that is going to come to $26 even. 5 off 25 coupon is going to come off. We're going to get back $12 on swag bucks for the Fast Bite sandwiches, and we're going to get back $9.30 on shop cake for the lemon heads and the Tic Tacs. So after that, it makes it totally free, plus a 30-cent Moneymaker. Oh my goodness, guys, Moneymaker food, that is so awesome. So an amazing, amazing deal for those.
All right, we are now going to talk about the cheap scenario for the week. Really, really good. Over $25 for the products for under $2. It's incredible. So let's look at that one. You're going to want to grab 4 of the Tic Tac chewy candies. By the way, these are up at the registers for the checkouts. They're $1.25 each. We do have a rebate on shop kick. You'll get back $4.10, which is 775. No, that is wrong. 1,015 kicks. Sorry, I had a typo in my breakdown. 1,015 kicks, which is $4.10. So go ahead and buy 4 of those. Okay, so you want to grab 5 bags of the lemon head ropes. These guys are $1 each at Dollar General. We have a shop kick offer still available. It's for 260 kicks, limit 5, plus there's 10 scan kicks. So you're getting back a total of 1,310 kicks, which is a grand total of 524. So you're buying 5 of these and getting the rebate times 5. Okay, so you want to grab one of these Airwick starter kits that are $4.25. We have a $3 off of 1 digital coupon currently available, so go ahead and use that. And then Shopkick has a super awesome rebate. It is for 84 cents back. 210 kicks between bite and scan. So go ahead and grab one of those, use the coupon, and submit to Shopkick. You want to grab one of these Arm & Hammer, the 14 count pods for $4.25. There is a $2 digital coupon for this. You want to grab one of the Arm & Hammer, the 15 ounce like scent beads. These guys are $4 each, and there's a $2 digital for these. Okay, you're going to pick up one of the Colgate toothpaste that are $3.25. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so go ahead and buy one and use that $2 digital.
All right, so for this scenario, it comes to $25.75. 5 off 25 coupon is going to come off. You got $9 off in digital coupons, and you will get back $10.14 on Shopkick for buying all these products. So it makes it $1.61 for everything, or 12 cents each. Oh my goodness, that is such an awesome deal for all those products. So these first two scenarios are on point.
All right, we got two household scenarios this week. Let's start out with the first one. Okay, so you want to grab one of these Airwick starter kits that are $4.25. We have a $3 off of 1 digital coupon currently available, so go ahead and use that. And then Shopkick has a super awesome rebate. It is for 84 cents back, 210 kicks between bite and scan. So go ahead and grab one of those, use the coupon, and submit to Shopkick. You want to grab one of these Arm & Hammer, the 14 count pods for $4.25. There is a $2 digital coupon for this. You want to grab one of the Arm & Hammer, the 15 ounce like scent beads. These guys are $4 each, and there's a $2 digital for these. Okay, so unfortunately, they're all out of these, the Gain Easy Squeeze dish liquids. They're $3 each. It says buy one, get one free, but we just have a $3 off of 2 digital, which in this case actually works out better because that's not going to mess up. Like the buy one, get one free would adjust down with the 5 off 25. So it's better that way, but $3, buy 2, and use the 3 off 2 digital. Okay, so you want to get one of these products. They have the Snuggle 40 Load Fabric Softener. They also have the Purex packs. Where are these at? Over here. Purex packs. And they also have Purex crystals. They're on sale for $3.75. There is a $1.25 digital coupon, so grab one of those and use the coupon. Okay, so you want to grab one of the soft soap hand soaps. These guys are on sale right now for $2.50. We have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon, so go ahead and grab one of those and use that. You're also going to buy just one of the lemon head ropes. It's $1 to get you over the $25 amount, and you'll submit over to Shopkick for that rebate. So those are all the items for household scenario number 1. $25.75 comes out to the subtotal, which is what we had for the first one. That's interesting. $25.75, 5 off 25 coupons going to come off. $12.25 in digital coupons will come off. Then you have $1.92 back on Shopkick for the Airwick and then for the 1 lemon head that you're going to grab. So after all the coupons and the Shopkick offers, it comes to $6.58 for all that stuff, or 83 cents each, which I think is absolutely amazing for those products. Such a great deal on that one. All right, on to household scenario number 2. Okay, so you want to pick up one of the Gain fabric softeners that are $4.50. There is a $1.55 digital coupon for this. Okay, so grab a Tide detergent for $5.50. There is a $1.55 digital. There is a 50-cent digital store coupon. You don't want to use that because it says it can't be combined with other Dollar General coupons, so don't use that with the 5 off 25, but buy one and use that $1.55 manufacturer digital coupon. Okay, so you want to pick up one of the Gain fabric softeners that are $4.50. There is a $1.55 digital coupon for this. Okay, so next up, you want to grab either the Scott 12 family rolls or the 6 equals 18 regular rolls. These guys are normally $5. There is a 1 off 1 digital. So go ahead and use that. It makes it $4. So grab one of those. Okay, so you also want to grab one of the Febreze bathroom, like, they used to be called Small Spaces. I don't know why they changed it to just say Febreze bathroom, but whatever. These guys are $3.50 now. We have a $2 digital, so go ahead and grab one of those and use that digital. All right, so you want to grab one of the Glade sprays that are $2.25, and we have a 1 off 1 digital, so go ahead and do that. All right, so second household scenario is more expensive, but it is some, higher end products, P&G brands, stuff like that. So subtotal for all this stuff is $25.70. 5 off 25 coupon is going to come off. $8.65 in various digital coupons will come off for the Tide, the Gain fabric softener, the Scott toilet paper, the Febreze Small Spaces, and the Glade, air freshener spray. So it comes down to $12.05 for everything, or $2.01 each, which again, I don't think is bad. You're getting toilet paper, you're getting Tide, Gain, some pretty good brands, so I definitely thought this was a good one to mention. All right, guys, we are now going to look at a personal care scenario. This one is actually really, really good. Okay, you're going to pick up one of the Colgate toothpaste that are $3.25. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so go ahead and buy one and use that $2 digital. Okay, so you want to grab 2 of the Vaseline lotions for $4. There's a 4 off 2 digital coupons. Go ahead and buy 2 and use that coupon. Okay, sadly, all the Dollar Generals don't seem to carry this. I have seen it, but it looks like they don't have it at this one. It's the Eucerin lotion. It is regularly $6.50. It's on sale for $5.50, and there's a $3 digital, so go ahead and buy it and use that coupon. Oh my goodness, guys. I can't believe I actually found these today. It seems like every time I come to film these, I can never find them, but here they are. So it's the Breathe Right strips. You're going to buy 2 of these. They're $3.95 each. We have $2.50 back on Ibotta, which you get back times 2 for buying 2. So go ahead and do that. You're also going to buy just one of the lemon head ropes. It's $1 to get you over the $25 amount, and you'll submit over to Shopkick for that rebate. Really like this personal care scenario. So all that stuff comes to $25.65. 5 off 25 coupon is going to come off. $9 in digitals will come off for the Colgate, for the Vaseline, for the Eucerin. You get back $5 on Ibotta for those Breathe Right strips, and then you're going to throw the lemon heads in to get you over the 25. So that's $1.08 back from Shopkick. Makes it $5.57 for everything, or 80 cents each, which I think is an outstanding, outstanding deal. So awesome for that. That's all I have for this Dollar General deals video. I really hope y'all did enjoy. These deals are on point. What a great week at Dollar General. And remember, you can come any day. You don't have to wait till Saturday. You can come and do them right now. And so it's amazing. But anyways, that's all I got. I hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.